Alright guys, well here is a quick room tour. This is a accessible junior suite on the Quantum of the Seas, which is a Quantum class Royal Caribbean ship. We are on deck 8 in room 642. So we have a small table here that you can work at or put your bags on like I have.
Well, if you're like me, you probably sit there to do your makeup.
Maybe. And the Lavazza coffee maker. I hear those are really nice. Nice large bed.
Yeah, you're gonna like that. So this is the bathroom.
Yep, okay, so we got a no threshold, just a roll in right there, but because this is an accessible room. Oh, I got a bathtub.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know how you're getting in that, but I will.
That double sink, which is nice.
Let's see. Okay, yeah, that is really nice.
And then the roll-in shower.
We got the shaver charge port up there.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the shower. Okay, it's acceptable there. Yeah. A shower head and bench. Okay. You've got these emergency alert cords, which tip for you, if you travel in one of these rooms and you're worried about your kids actually pulling this, there's a little clip up here that you can actually undo so that the cord is no longer attached.
Or just tie it up higher.
Right. If you do pull that cord, they'll call you from the bridge and ask if you're having an emergency. And if you don't answer the phone, they will be at your room in a few minutes.
Correct. Can you tell we've experienced that a couple of times?
Well, here's an interesting one. It looks like the thermostat is here in the bathroom.
There's a thermostat out here too.
Well, I wonder what this thermostat's for. Is that for the toilet seat? It's got a warmer and colder knob on it.
Huh, we'll have to figure that out and let you guys know. I wonder if there's any point heating.
I don't know, maybe.
Or maybe you can warm it up before.
Got another one of the pull cords over here on the bath.
Right.
Okay, let's continue looking at the rest of the room. Okay, you've got a powered door opener right here. So if you're not with somebody to help you hold the door open, or you got bags or anything, you can use that button to open and close these doors.
That's cool.
Yep. I assume we're going to have a little fridge or cooler down here. Yep. Okay. All right. The chair's kind of heavy. Let's push that out the way. Okay.
That looks like that's where the balcony door is.
Yeah, let's open these up if I can.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. There we go. Okay, so we've got a nice ramp to get in and out of the balcony.
We'll have to do a little rearranging, but...
Yeah, we'll have to move a couple of these seats around a little bit, but pretty nice large balcony for us.
And over there is downtown Seattle.
Yeah, we got a nice view of Seattle there.